Hi everyone, I'm Manikumar and I am in Savita Engineering College in AADS department and I'm going to explain the QR decomposition in Python programming language. Im- uh, Initialize matrices. A is the input matrix. Q will be store the orthogonal vectors column of Q are perpendicular and have length 1. U is an intermediate matrix used to calculate the vectors. First column, take the first column of A and store it in U. Normalize this column, make its length 1 to get the first column of Q. Subsequent columns for each remaining columns in A starts with the column A and store it in the U. Subtract the parts that overlap with all previous columns of Q to make it perpendicular. Normalize the adjusted column to get the next column of Q. Constructing or initialize or as a zero matrix for each entry in R. Compute the dot product between the corresponding columns of Q and A. Output print the matrices Q and R.